Hello from the Bureau with your weekend weather update. And this weekend, we're expecting drier and more settled conditions across eastern Australia, but daytime and nighttime temperatures will remain quite cool. Elsewhere though, it's a different story in Western Australia with rain building, and this will extend into parts of the Northern Territory and South Australia. First though, let's look at the synoptic situation. And on Friday, we do see this low pressure system over the Tasman Sea start to move away from the coast. And it's this system which brought large waves and showers to New South Wales and parts of southeast Queensland. We do see a ridge of high pressure building behind it, and this will mean a clear but cold night across the eastern seaboard. Elsewhere, there is a weak cold front brushing parts of coastal South Australia, southern Victoria and Tasmania. We're not expecting too much in the way of rainfall there, but we will see showers heavy at times continuing about Queensland's Cassowary coast. Into Saturday though, we do see this rain band across Western Australia start to build and extend from the Pilbara and interior and into parts of the southern Northern Territory and South Australia by Saturday evening. And these parts of Australia don't typically see rainfall this time of year, with the average August monthly rainfall generally being less than 10 millimetres. But with this rain band though, we could see multiple times the monthly average rainfall. So do keep an eye on the latest warnings and updates, but at this stage, the flood risk is considered to be low. Elsewhere for Saturday, we do see a couple of showers for parts of Victoria, including Melbourne, but dry and plenty of sunshine returning to Canberra, Sydney, Brisbane, and much of northern Australia. Into Sunday, we see a couple more showers brushing the south coast of Victoria and also through Tasmania, but we do see clear skies continuing for Brisbane, Sydney and for much of Queensland. But this rain band will push a little bit further east, and by Sunday afternoon it will slow down and become a little bit more patchy, but we could see some showers pushing into southwest Queensland, western New South Wales and parts of northern Victoria. And even into early next week, this rain band is expected to push further towards the east coast. There is a little bit of disagreement with the models at this stage, but keep an eye on the forecast if you are living particularly in southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales. Elsewhere across the country, a dry Sunday for Perth, and that's ahead of the next cold front coming through from the west. Having a look at the temperatures now, and we can see for much of southern Australia, it will be quite a cool day, but of note, our temperatures under this thick cloud band in Western Australia, with maximum temperatures of between 4 to 10 degrees below average. We'll see generally cool to mild conditions for elsewhere. Sydney 19, Brisbane 23, plenty of sunshine, but it will be cloudy in Melbourne, a top of just 14 degrees. We don't see much change to the east coast on Sunday, remaining cool but also warming up slightly across parts of New South Wales and Queensland. And we do see that cold air extend into South Australia, just maxims of 14 and 15 about western parts of the state, but it will be generally mild across Western Australia and remaining hot and humid in the north. So into this weekend, do check for the latest forecast and updates on the Bureau's website and social media, and we'll see you next time.